In this video, we will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Nano X. If you guys want to get started with Ledger Nano X, you can use the links down in the description. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X firmware and Ledger Live app are up to date. Then, launch the Ledger Live app on your computer and create an account for the crypto you want to receive. Now, open the account for the specific crypto in Ledger Live, click Receive and copy receiving address. Go to your Robinhood account and navigate to the crypto section. Next, choose the crypto you want to transfer and click Send. Paste the copied ledger address into the withdrawal address field. Now ensure you select the correct network, e.g. Ethereum, Binance Smart Chains that matches your Ledger account. Review the details and confirm the transaction. You may need to enter a verification code from your Ledger device. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, check your Ledger Live app to see the received crypto. So, that's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Nano X. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Ledger Nano X. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.